In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start using Notion Mail. Whether you're already a Notion user looking to manage your emails in the same block-based interface you love, or you simply want to organize all your messages in one powerful workspace, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Notion workspace and make sure you're in the correct environment where you want to integrate your email workflow. Once you're ready, open a new browser tab and go to the Notion Mail website. On the homepage, you'll see an option to sign up. Click Sign Up with Google, or choose another email provider depending on which service you use. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, approve the access request so Notion Mail can sync your emails. Once approved, return to Notion or open Notion Mail directly. To add any additional email accounts, navigate to Notion Mail settings and select Add Account. This is especially useful if you manage multiple email addresses and want everything accessible from a unified inbox. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you know which inbox you want as primary and have your email credentials handy. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent any issues during setup. Once you've completed these steps, explore the interface using the sidebar to navigate Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Trash. After that, you should be able to compose emails using Notion-style blocks, add headings, checklists, callouts, or even colors to structure your messages just the way you want. It's also a good idea to save custom inbox views for projects, priorities, or any workflow that suits you. This ensures your workspace stays organized and efficient. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to start using Notion Mail to manage your emails efficiently and beautifully. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might benefit. Why not make someone's day easier?